Hi everyone, Victoria here from Credit Fix Solutions, and I have such a great good news story for you today. Client ID 7907. Now, I onboarded this particular client. She had been a victim of domestic violence. This had caused very severe financial difficulties, and she was left with a default in February 2023 for just $542. So a small amount, but it meant that she could not get the home loan that she wanted through the bank that was going to approve her because of the default. Now, we started work 13th of January 2024, and on the 22nd of January, just 8 days later, we emailed her cleared credit report. And we in fact got an email back from the broker afterwards. It was the first time he'd used our services, and he wrote back to us and said, "Received formal approval from NAB and will be settling on her new house in 2 weeks. She is absolutely ecstatic as this is a dream come true." Her words to me when I first spoke to her was, "I have a default, so I don't think purchasing is possible." You have certainly made it possible. And that's what we do at Credit Fix Solutions. We change people's lives. We remove negative data from credit reports so that your clients, if you're a broker, can get finance across the line. If you're a consumer, you're stuck renting, you've got a great deposit but a bad credit report, potentially we can change all of that in a matter of days, if not weeks. If you'd like a free assessment of your credit report, or you might have clients who have bad credit and you think as a broker that you can change their lives and get them on track for a better wealth creation journey, please reach out to the team. Send us an email at sales@creditfixsolutions.com.au, and we very much look forward to helping. Thanks for listening.